Ready to unlock Trello's hidden potential and make it your go-to project management tool for absolutely everything. First, let's tackle software development. Create a board and label your lists as to do, in progress, code review, and done to mirror your workflow. Add cards for each task, assign team members, set deadlines, and use checklists for subtasks while you'll easily drag and drop cards as they progress. Now, for marketing campaigns, create lists like content ideas, drafting, design, approval, and published. Attach creative briefs, design assets, and track approvals directly within each card. Use labels to categorize content types like blog posts or social media updates. Let's plan an event. Lists can be venue research, speaker coordination, marketing and promotion, and logistics. Utilize the calendar power-up to visualize key dates and deadlines, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Trello isn't just for work. Personalize your life with lists such as grocery list, books to read, home projects, and trip planning. Create checklists for packing, recipe ingredients, or project steps. Use due dates to stay on top of appointments and personal goals. Customize Trello to fit any project, no matter how big or small, and streamline your work and life. Subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks.